When I was a kid growing up in the 60s and 70s, the Vietnam War was probably on everybody's tongue. You either knew somebody who had fought in the war, you had older brothers who might have been getting drafted, trying to avoid the draft, and if nothing else, you listened to the music, and you saw the movies on TV. History of Vietnam War, one semester course that studies one of the most important events of the second half of the 20th century, an event that changed America right to its core in a whole lot of different ways. Okay, Vietnam changed how we felt about using military power. Most importantly, the ways we fought the wars of Iraq and Afghanistan were directly influenced by the ways we fought the Vietnam War and the lessons learned from the Vietnam War, which our military and our government have tried not to repeat. But it also changed the music and it changed the cinema. So let's look at some of the changes in the music field. Okay, you had the whole protest movement. John Lennon, Bob Dylan, Creedence, the Buffalo Springfield. You had this whole brand of music that came out just in protest of war in support of the peace movement. Changed Americans, what Americans listen to. If you've ever listened to the Don McLean song, Bye Bye Miss American Pie, it talks about this transition from Elvis the King to the Jester Dylan protesting the war and a lot of the other things that were going on. And then it impacted American cinema, and there's a lot of movies that we will watch in the course. We'll also listen to a lot of the music and see what it's about. This is just an example of some of the movies we will watch. Platoon, Full Metal Jacket, Apocalypse Now, Born on the 4th of July, Go Tell the Spartans, and The Deer Hunter. A lot of these videos help us to tell not only the story of the war, but also how Americans came to feel about the war later on during the 80s and the 90s. Okay, so again, seminal event in American history, changed everything. Whole lot of events in here, ended two presidencies, and really changed the way Americans felt not only about war, but also about our military and also about our government. So if you'd like to learn more, sign up for the course. Look forward to having you.